Google site speed, page site speed, how quickly your site loads. This stuff is very important. It's good for SEO. It's good for user experience. It's best practice, can increase your conversion rate optimization. No one likes to wait for 5, 10 seconds for a website to load. If your website is taking a long time, it's a good way to lose traffic. So what can be done? Well, there's two free tools that I like to use. So the first one is straight from Google, pagespeed.web.dev, very useful. The other one that I like to use is GTmetrix. Both kind of operate the same. So let's find our homepage for this experiment. We're going to do criminal attorney Chicago, go to Chi-Town, and we're going to hit up page 8. Let's do this guy right here, criminal defense lawyers chicago.com, an exact match domain. We'll put it in here, hit enter. It's going to analyze, and Google's going to do the same thing. Takes a couple minutes. So while it's happening, you can do your stretches, get a coffee, send a couple emails, or do some water cooler chat. But what you're going to see is that they're both going to analyze your website and they're going to give you insights into what is slowing down your website. When we're looking at Google, it does a mobile first kind of report, whereas this one, I believe, it focuses more on desktop. What I really like about GTmetrix that I can show you in 1 second here once the report is done. So let's twiddle our thumbs for a sec. We'll check out Google. There we go. So they don't have a great site speed. So this could be one of the reasons we found them on page 8, despite the exact match domain. So it's going to show you a whole bunch of different technical things here. Where GTmetrix really shines is when you click on the structure button, it's going to show you a hierarchy of needs in terms of what are the issues with your website. So avoid enormous network payloads. Now we can start to see, what is slowing them down. And if you're not sure, they have a nice button here, learn how to improve this. And it's actually going to explain, what is a large network payload, large file sizes. Typically, that's going to be pictures on the server that are high resolution that maybe don't need to be that high resolution, and they're being reformatted into, some sort of browser. So it's really useful to understand, what the issues are, and it'll do that for all of these issues that you have here. So long main thread tasks, not sure what that is, not a problem. Click this button, it'll explain to you what it is. Google, focus on mobile first, as you should. Most of the traffic today across the internet is going to be mobile first, and you should optimize for mobile first. But same sort of thing, it's going to break everything down for you in terms of how long it takes. Doesn't do quite as nice of a job of explaining what things are in terms of a user-friendly manner, but it does allow you to click into things like SEO. So beyond just page speed, it'll show you insights into SEO, how to rank higher. I love to use both of them. If you have a nephew or something like that that's really handy with computers, you can give this result to them, ask them to do it to fix some things for you. Otherwise, you can contact someone like myself and we can do the work for you. But two very useful tools for site speed. Highly recommend you use both of them when you get a chance. Have a good one.